I'm Anthony Zaccardi, Senior Designer at NYKB. For the last 20 years, NYKB has been remodeling apartments across New York City. NYKB is a one-stop shop for kitchen and bath projects and a design-build firm for all your renovation needs. We customize kitchens and baths and do full apartment renovations to turn your vision into reality. NYKB provides free consultations to better understand your style. You'll receive a free estimate and full-color 3D images of the remodeled space. We will handle all the project needs. Services include getting approval from your building, project management, electrical and plumbing work, permits, and full construction. If needed, our in-house architect, engineer, and expeditor will join your project in a complete filing to the Department of Building. Visit our showroom today and experience the luxury of NYKB.